Hey everyone, my name is Drew and welcome to the first official video of Hermitage Type on the Hermitage Type YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to use the free illustrations and assets that you can find right here on the Hermitage Type site, and I will link all of that down in the description for you as well to go and check it out. But as you can see here, there are up to 114 packs of illustrations that you can use freely. Download them and you are able to use them in any way that you would like. And I've been getting a couple questions on using and editing them, changing colors and stuff like that. So we're gonna look at how to do that right now. So I'm just gonna go to this most recent one called the Beard Buddies 02. And I'm going to click download, and so that'll bring me to this page right here. Download it, and I'm using a Mac. It's the same principle, of course, if you're using a Windows. I'm going to take my Beard Buddies, just bring it to the desktop here, double click, that's going to unzip. You don't need this anymore, move to trash. You're going to open this up, and then you're going to see PNGs, which the PNGs are going to, that's going to be your safe format for anything, any program that you need to use. I use them all the time in Procreate. You can alpha lock that, change the color, change the, erase stuff, whatever you want to do. But they're not going to be editable like the vector versions are. So in the vector file, if we open that up right here, you can see that these are PDFs. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag this over here so that you can see what some of the current problems you might have are. So if I just minimize my Illustrator file here, and I bring over, let's say this one, over into my project, you can see the little plus button, but now I can't change the color of this because it's just a picture that's been dragged over into your current open project. So all it knows to do is say, hey, you've dragged a picture into Illustrator, and it's just saying I'm going to display that for you. So it didn't actually open up the .pdf, which is a project file. So what we can do though is go back to our vector folder here. I'll take that same one, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it down onto Illustrator. You can see it would do the same thing if I open it in Photoshop. It won't work in XD, and it'll do the same thing in Lightroom. So I'm going to do Illustrator. It will be completely editable. So I can go to the black here and now just choose any color, and it will turn to that color because now you have opened up the vector file. So now you're freely able to copy this onto other projects. You can see it's completely transparent as well. You can hit the command key and see all of the dots that have gone into creating this vector. So I guess you could have added if you want. Let's say you just really don't want his eye right here. You could select the eye and delete that with the direct selection tool if you wanted. Again, I'm using Illustrator, so this is going to vary between your formats, but if you're really just trying to change the color and the size and all that stuff without it getting that weird warped effect, this is the best way to do it. Just be careful if you're just dragging in the PNG and you try to resize it, it's going to warp and not look that good. So make sure you're holding something like the shift key when you're going up and down. Again, the PNG is going to be pretty good for that, but if you really want true vector, you're going to need to open up the vector project file. Again, I'll link the free illustration page down in the description, as well as a couple other new things that we've just come out with. I'm super excited. Join me in the Facebook group. We have people in there sharing their work all the time. I host events. Right now, we also have a poster design challenge going on in Instagram. So go over there, check out the details, make a poster using these free illustrations. So this is a great video to figure out what you want to use the illustrations in, and use the hashtag Hermitage Type Art, and you will be able to be entered into the contest. We're going to select 3 winners, and you can win prizes on the Hermitage Type shop up to about $500. So thanks so much again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like it, subscribe to Hermitage Type, and I will see you in the next video.